Hi, I'm JP from the Gabriella Miller Kids First Data Resource Center, or the Kids First DRC, and in this video we'll cover how to connect your Kids First portal account to projects and platforms via Error Commons. So as explained in video 2 of this series, you've learned how to apply for dbGaP access. Now, how do we connect our portal account? To enable our account to access controlled files, first navigate to the Kids First portal dashboard and select the Authorized Studies section, and then select Connect button. We'll want to connect to both the Kids First Framework Services and the NCI CRDC Framework Services. So let's first connect to the Kids First Framework Services by clicking on the toggle button. A new tab or window will appear and prompt you to authenticate with your Error Commons account. If you do not yet have a valid Error Commons account, check out the second Kids First support video in this playlist to learn how to create your account. Once you enter your valid credentials, the page will refresh and you'll be able to see your available studies, which will sync within the Authorized Studies section of the portal dashboard. You'll repeat this process and toggle the NCI CRDC Framework Services and authenticate via Gen 3. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be able to see the additional NCI-hosted studies synced in your dashboard. Now, we'll connect to CAVATICA, which is the cloud analysis platform for Kids First. Since it's not possible to perform analysis workflows or interact directly with files within the Kids First portal, you'll need to move files you want to work with into a CAVATICA project. CAVATICA is a storage sharing and analysis ecosystem designed to work with large volumes of pediatric genomic data. We'll discuss how to access CAVATICA more in depth in the 4th video in the Kids First Support Series playlist. To connect your CAVATICA projects on the Kids First portal, select Connect within the CAVATICA Projects section. You'll be redirected to the CAVATICA platform and asked to log in with your Error Commons account. You could also choose to log in with a username and password. If you don't already have a CAVATICA account, you'll be asked to create one. Return to the Kids First portal and your dashboard will sync and display your connected CAVATICA projects. With your Kids First portal account connected to CAVATICA projects, you'll be able to easily select and export data files from the Kids First portal into your CAVATICA projects. Within CAVATICA, you'll be able to compare Kids First data sets with other large data collections, as well as importing your own data files for analysis. You can access all these files and perform analysis in the cloud without needing to download files. To begin selecting files from the Kids First portal, navigate to the Data Exploration by selecting here the Authorized Files within the Authorized Studies section. And you'll see that the lock icon will be green and unlock for any studies you can access to within this Data Files tab. Select each of the files you'd like to analyze from the file set, and from there you can select Analyze in CAVATICA. You'll be able to choose one of the projects that you have already created in CAVATICA, and from there you'll be copying those files into your CAVATICA project. In our next video, we'll show you how to interact with your files in the CAVATICA platform. For additional resources and instructions, check out the Kids First DRC Help Center and reach out to a member of the Kids First DRC support team. Visit the link in the video description. Make sure to check out the other user support videos on the Kids First DRC support YouTube playlist. Thanks for watching.